Slamming Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and NPP leadership, leader of opposition Mukul Sangma said he agrees with the Chief Minister that the present incumbent government has achieved what other governments in the past have not achieved. He said MDA government has achieved to generate that narrative where the issue of probity in public life is being questioned by every citizen in the state. There are too many instances of alleged irregularities and corruption that have been brought before the government, and the persistent denials by the authorities has never happened in the past, Dr. Mukul alleged while commenting on the CM's Independence Day speech.
Incumbent government has achieved what other governments in the past have not achieved. You know, they have achieved to generate that narrative where the question of probity in public life is being questioned by every citizen in the state. That has not happened in the past. There are too many, I said too many. You will have to have, your fingertips to count actually one by one. And you may have to pause to rethink. And